Hello everyone and welcome to the September HU Crafty Club video tutorial. So this month our project was called For Real, and that's because we're doing all types of things with faux leather. So let's run down the materials real quick and then talk a little bit about some safety. So in your kit you received an assortment of faux leather. You received one awl, although we did notice a typo that there's two awls on the list. You only got one, sorry. Some bent nose pliers, E6000 glue and tacky glue. You got a Taylor chalk pencil, which is water soluble. You got the big, large running pliers. These are really cool for closing the hardware on one of our projects, but they're also used in the glass cutting process. So definitely store these away in your craft kit for the future. You received the hardware, so you got key fob hardware, you got an assortment of earring fish hooks, clip-ons, some little clamps that you can use, some templates. There's a wallet template, and there's a key fob template. And if you go onto our website, there's a bonus template as well, but I'll let you find that. We also do an earring stencil and just some Velcro that you can use as a closure for the wallet. Okay. Let me think, is there anything else? Oh, after putting a hole in our table, we realized that we should probably put something underneath of the awl when we're using it. So we put in just a small piece of scrap wood that you can use underneath so that you don't ruin your furniture. So that's all of the supplies. If you do not like the glue choices that we gave you, the E6000 and the tacky glue, you can use hot glue on these projects as well. Let's get into some safety. So before you start, there's just a couple safety things to go over. One, we are using pliers. We have a couple different types of pliers in the kit this month. So just be careful when you're using them, not to pinch your fingers or to pinch your skin in those pliers. And then the awl and the scissors, of course, they have sharp edges. So just be really careful when you're working with them that you do not poke yourself with either of those items. And if they decide to fall to the ground, do not try to catch them mid-fall. Go ahead and let them hit the ground, and then you can pick them up safely. If you have any questions at all about this project, please do not hesitate to reach out in our Facebook group or send me an email, or if you have my number, you can send me a text. I want to make sure that you all find success with all of these projects every month. And so I just wanted to make sure that you knew that I am here for you to help with these projects, okay? All right, so with that said, go ahead, have some for real fun this month. There's enough materials in there where you can start making gifts for the holidays if you choose, or you can just make a whole bunch for yourself. Up to you. So, but have fun, okay? And I will see you soon.